So far it's day one of the course. Um, so far learning a lot of stuff that I didn't think about as far as marketing, a lot of things that I didn't think about as far as job potentials and where this can actually go. If you take the time to take this course and you put in the effort, you will see results. Damon and Diego are really great teachers, really great communicators, and the information that they're giving you is concise and it's in a light, like friendly manner. So you don't feel like you're just listening to one of these get rich quick seminars. The effort that you have to put in is the results that you'll see, but with their experience and their knowledge and their guidance, I definitely see outside the box now. So it's day two of the training. It's really going good, really super going good. I think that even with my more than 10, 15 years of experience in the sales industry, I did learn something, and it must be amazingly eye-opening for people who don't understand necessarily the sales industry. Understanding your customer, creating that customer base, how to keep that customer base. It's one of the most important things in the world because the success of my customer eventually becomes my success. So thinking that way and in that manner and not using platitudes, which we're all guilty of, I've been guilty of them, is starting to make me think in a different way. Even though this is a training about drones, it's actually making me think in a different direction in my other business. So it's a super learning experience. If you're on the fence about taking this course, if you're not sure if the money's worth it, take time to sit down, take the course, invest in yourself, invest in your future. Now's the time, because like Diego said, you don't want to turn back years from now and wish that you jumped in on this. Spend money on yourself, and you'll be surprised. Thank you.